I don't have nobody to take my picture, so it's a self-picture day. So here I'm walking to my wheelchair. I guess I'll stay outside and wait for the van to come. Even though my wheelchair is broken, it's very sturdy, so I'm going to push it, and that'll help me with my walking. And so we have what Jason calls take something hard, declare it, and conquer it. And I realize it's not even that you can't even move, it's the fear. Building up your confidence. Because as long as your body parts work, they work. But it's the confidence in the areas that are weak. So, it's just simply building up your confidence. So I'm about to be walking. Going to my chair and build my confidence up. Excuse me, darling, could you pick the button for me, please? Yeah, don't let it hit me, okay? Thank you, darling. Thank you. Hi. And someone else inboxed me from my neighborhood, said they could help me with my manual wheelchair. Good morning. So I'm so grateful for that as well. Sometimes when you are using these walkers, they have carpets on the floor. The carpets get stuck in the walker. So you have to be careful because that's a safety hazard. Thank you. I asked them to watch. Can you watch it, please? Don't let it hit me, please. Thank you. Thank you. They're supposed to be watching it so that it doesn't hit me. Thank you for helping out. Okay. So I gotta watch the carpet. That's a safety hazard when that rug gets caught. Thank you, please, or else I'm gonna fall over. Thank you, darling. Appreciate your help. So Wednesday I did 4 sit-ups and stand-ups in 2 minutes. So I'm almost walking by my destination to the seats in 4 minutes. So that's a good thing. Yeah. So the more I flex this muscle, the stronger it's gonna get. You're so kind. What's your name? Josh. Hey Josh, I'm Debra Ann Matthews. Thank you for helping me. Yes, thank you so much. I'm gonna go sit right here. Wait for the van to come and push my wheelchair on it to the van. As a matter of fact, I know what I can do. I can get you to push it down that wheelchair ramp because that's what's hard for me. I'm gonna unlock it. And then when the van comes, we'll just be able to sit. We'll just be able to walk down there. And then the code is 0000. Whew. I tell you, this is pneumonia weather. Trying to get me sick.
Hot, then cold.
And we're supposed to have snow next week.
Don't tell me that.
I already know it's my birthday.
Oh, it is?
Yes, next Tuesday.
Okay, Miss Aquarius. Yes. Aquarius, right? Yeah.
So, yes. Okay, let me take that off, and then I'll put it right here. And it's not even locked because the power stopped working. Okay. And if you could push it down that ramp right there, yeah, and just kind of let it. That way, when the van comes, we could just roll it on because it'd be level. Because what was hard getting it up is when we tried to get it up, right there. We might have to lean it against, like over here, but it hopefully won't roll away. It's heavy enough to sit still. So, how y'all doing? Whew.
Let's press that button, buddy.
So, thank you. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, will it sit like that? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. And then when the van comes, all I gotta do is walk. So it's on level ground, so it's not gonna. Oh, please let me shake your hand. Thank you, baby. I appreciate your help. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate you. Okay, thank you. I'm great. The van's gonna come. I'm gonna walk over there, I'm gonna get on, pay my fare, go to every month the swim group we meet at a restaurant. Today we'll meet at Chili's.
Ooh.
Yeah, that way I'll be able to sit comfortably in my chair and won't be too low.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome,
appreciate
of
it. Okay, so we have the. It is still challenging because I still got to get back home. I met the challenge. I conquered it, and I'm celebrating. So I'm telling you, what I really realize is that it's not so much that. Good morning. Okay, is that your car? Okay. Oh, that's his car. Okay, great. Thank you. I'm glad because I didn't want him to think that I didn't want my wheelchair to be in the way. Ooh, it's cold out here. Oh, you finna play paddleball? You got pickleball. He got his own. I was wondering if you had to bring your own pickleball bat to play. So anywho, what I'm saying is that yesterday when I went to personal training, what coach was saying, you got the confidence, Deborah. He kept telling me that. And then I was able to get up real good. And then I remembered today, you can do it. You did it yesterday. You did it today. You can do it. So just remembering that you have to keep your confidence. That's the key right there, keeping your confidence. So a lot of times I even hear people say when they say, I'm scared to go in the water. I might get cold. Well, see, I have 2 cups of hot coffee when I go. When I leave, I have a cup of tea. But today I had them give me 2 cups of tea because the pool was cold and I was chattering. So I need to warm up. But I ate breakfast. You got to eat breakfast before you go because that'll make it work. So you got to eat breakfast. And I usually drink a bottle of water and 2 cups of hot coffee while I'm exercising to keep warm. And really, coach told us after you exercise, you gotta have you have to have some protein in your system within 40 minutes of you exercising. So those are some good rule of thumb things to keep in mind. So that's what is in the news today. Whew. So, I'm happy that I didn't stay home because the key to my wellness is mobility. And the more mobile I am, the better I'm gonna conquer everything. Because I asked my coach, I said, Coach, is it that I can walk if I lose weight or can I walk now? He said, you can walk now. You practice, just keep practicing walking. So, okay. So remember, you're never too old to improve. My eyebrow is rounded. You're never too old to improve, no matter what the situation is. You're never too old to improve. There are people who start off at 50. There are people who start off at 60. There are people who start at 70 and improve their health, improve their muscles, improve their life. So you just have to keep that in mind. Oh, child, it's cold out here. Okay, give my ticket out. So I tell you, everybody has had to face some hard things. Tell me about the time when you had to conquer, and then celebrate some hard things. And so it's supposed to be 60-some degrees. Well, my friend who passed away, she gave me this perfume set last year for my birthday. And I was really looking forward to getting my new present she was going to give me for my birthday this year. But I have the honor of singing 3 songs at her homegoing service on Monday. So that's my birthday present for me, from me to her family. And so I tell you the truth, God bless us all. So comment down below and share with me some hard things that you've had to do and that you did, so we can celebrate. Everybody has something And the people who don't have weight problems, you got some too. Just because it's not your weight and I can't visibly see it, doesn't mean that you don't have that addiction. Because we all got something, honey. So comment down below and let me know what you have overcome and celebrated for today. Thanks. Bye.